Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. This week we are going to be installing some mud flaps or splash guards on my 17 Ram 1500. Quick and easy. I'll show you guys everything you need to know. Let's not waste any more time. We'll jump right into it. Okay, let's go ahead and get these things opened up. Huge shout out to Tecoom, I don't know how you pronounce it, for sending these guys out to me. These will work with or without fender flares. You have to order them based on if you have fender flares or not though, so keep that in mind. Links in the description for these guys if you want to pick them up off Amazon. Not too bad at all. So, they are labeled. You can see rear left hand, and this one says front left hand. Not sure if you guys can see that. But let's just walk over here real quick and mock them up to see what we're dealing with. This will be going right, kind of like, right just like that. Now, if you want to avoid this overall, all this grime, don't do offset tires, stick them out past the fenders. Obviously, anytime you do that, you're kicking stuff up onto the side of your truck. It looks cool, but yeah, it's a good way to chip paint, make things dirty, just make a mess. Hopefully these guys will help a little bit. And as you can see from my angle, that's without. That's gonna be a big improvement from what it was. That's exactly what we're looking for. And two, this is a good option. I didn't want to go with some big, like, rock tamer mud flaps hanging off the back of the truck or anything like that. These are mild, still look pretty sleek. Let's go ahead and knock out this side and then we'll move right along. In the box, it also comes with some instructions and some hardware, a couple screws, washers, whatnot there. So make sure you guys don't lose any of that stuff. So we'll start with the front here. All I want you to do is remove these two screws, remove our double-sided tape here, and then they put some tick marks on the back of the mud flap actually right here for you to take one of these spring clips is what they're calling them, and they kind of just got some teeth on them. Just gonna clip around our splash guard and then around the lip of the fender flare. So I'll show you guys that in a second as well. Real quick, we're gonna spray this down. We don't want to be installing it on a dirty surface. I'll grab the pressure washer real quick. We'll spray this area down, wipe it down, and then we have a fresh clean area to install these. If you guys want to make sure that this 3M tape sticks really good, I would recommend throwing some sort of alcohol on a rag and just wiping down the surface where we're going to be sticking the tape. Again, it's got screws in it. Not too worried about the tape sticking, but anything we can do to improve it will help us out. Took the 8mm out, peel off our double-sided tape here. And then, like we talked about, we'll take our clip and press it on there just like that. So the clip's on there, the top bolt started, we'll get the bottom bolt in, and that'll be that. Looking pretty good so far. I'm excited to not have mud and everything flinging up on the side of the truck. So I'll go ahead and get this bottom bolt in, and then we'll move on to the back. Back does not have any tape of any sort, and we installed it a little bit differently. We use a couple different parts, but we're starting out with the same idea. We're gonna remove these two bolts off our fender flare here. Those are gonna line up with this top one and this bottom one here. Something like that. And just with the two fender flare bolts on the back, it's sturdy. I'm not worried about it going anywhere. It does come with these pinch clip things that you can install. I'm not too worried about it, again, like I said, so I'm gonna save these. Let's go ahead and take a look. I think these are gonna work out very nicely. Help keep the gunk off the truck. Very happy. As you guys saw, it was super easy, nothing to the install. Again, huge shout out to Tecoom, or however you pronounce it. Thank you guys for sending these over to me. Okay guys, little 1 week update on our mud flaps that we installed. Fitment overall is pretty good. You can see they're not exactly perfect, but you wouldn't be able to tell unless you go up and look at them. Yeah, they've definitely been helping keeping stuff from throwing up on the side of the truck. Really appreciate that. and they look good. Overall, I'd say it's a success. I would highly recommend these mud flaps or splash guards. If you guys have one of these Ram trucks, they have worked out great for me so far. And that is gonna wrap up today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe if you're not already. If you guys want links to the splash guards, mud flaps, whatever you wanna call them, they'll be in the description below, again, for these Ram trucks, with or without fender flares. They come in 2 different styles, so make sure to go check it out. Thanks for watching, take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one.